Hey guys, back again with RIPiN, and in this episode we're chucking in an 82-degree high-flow thermostat and a billet housing. So we're going to change the thermostat in this, but before we get into that, I just want to have a quick chat about the slight change in plans we have for the car. Now, you guys might have seen a video I made a couple months ago about upgrading or maximising the performance on this, and I was going to do the air intake, which I've done, and I was going to do injectors, and I was going to do the boost controller, which I'm done. But unfortunately my tuner has sold up his business, so it sort of delayed the plans for a bit. So this year, obviously, I want to take it to Power Cruise and back to the drag strip, as I usually do. But I just can't get it retuned with injectors like I wanted to with more boost. But we have changed the turbo, done new air intake, we've put a high stall in it, we've done a few other things which, you know, we can see if it's made a difference, how much it's made a difference, and then a bit further down the track, I'll get the injectors put in and we'll tune it up then. But we can sort of test the limits of this setup and see what we can do with it. But it's still all good. I'm pretty happy with what's going on anyway. But even with that being the case, there still is a few more things we're going to get done. There was something I'll be able to show you today, which is going to be pretty exciting. And we're also going to obviously do the thermostat. And then we've got something really cool coming in a few weeks, which I wasn't going to tell you, but yeah, we're going to get a digital dash put in, and we're going to do that ourselves, so that's all pretty exciting. But I'll take you down to our storage, and then I'll show you the other thing I got in store. Alright, down the storage, and here's the other thing that we're going to be working on. 4-inch reverse cowl. So I've got another bonnet. Bought a 4-inch reverse cowl from the fiberglass factory, and yeah, that's going to be something to change up on RIPiN, because the other bonnet, the XR8 bonnet's grey, I love it, but it does have a little bit of rust and stuff going on that's a bit hidden, so I thought I'd step it up to this and actually go all out and chop underneath, open it up, because if you see these in a wind tunnel behind up the end there near the window, that actually creates a vacuum, sucks cold air into the engine bay, so we want to utilise a bit of that too. But yeah, that's what we got going on. But we'll jump on into the thermostat. Let's get into it. So this is what we're working with. We got a Aeroflow billet housing, same as the front holder for the oil line I've got. It's good to see, that suits an EL to FG. So. And here's the other one. Here's the actual thermostat. That's the 82-degree high-flow thermostat. If you look it up, you can't actually find it, but you know, I researched around on the forums and stuff like that, and that's the part number that everyone comes up with. So if you want an 82-degree one, high-flow one, that's the number. Hopefully it fits. We'll find out, because it says, if you look it up on eBay, it says it's for like a 350 Chev or something. So, and obviously we got a little gasket. So, we've got all that stuff together. We'll head out to the car. Alright, so it's a pretty average day. It's pretty windy out, so I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it, and then I'll just film in between. But the whole reason I'm doing this is because normal driving around, the temperature's fine, but as you can see, I've got a gearbox cooler, an intercooler there in front of the radiator. So when I went up in summer to hotter events like in Perth and stuff, it was just running a little bit hotter than I like it. Nothing crazy, just like near half. And this is usually one of the solutions you do to do it. So first off, we're going to whip off that one there. We'll undo them two and rip off that. Alright, we pulled the pipe off, we've taken the nuts out, I just snipped that off there because that pipe was a bit crusty, so I just snipped a bit shorter. We've got room. I guess we'll try and pull it off. There we go. There it is. Now we should be able to just, hopefully, maybe with a screwdriver. There we go. It's the old one out. It's time to get the new one in. Alright, here's the new one. We've put that gasket around the outside. You just fit it on there. And we just plop it in there. And it looks like that part number is the one that fits. So that's always good. So that's fitted. Now it'll be time just to chuck the new billet housing on. And there it is. That's the new billet housing fitted. Now we just got to connect up all the pipes again and she'll be sweet. And there it is, all fitted up. I'll have to bleed the system out and make sure there's no bubbles in it. But yeah, there we have it. Next video, heading up to the city to see my brother. We're going to go check out his XR8 and do a couple things to that while we're up there. So yeah, so all the things are happening. So until the next one, see you later.